Hello there, I'm Gary Sims and this is Gary Explains. Okay, so this is my second state of the channel video. I did the last one last week and I asked you in that video, do you think I should do another one? And the overwhelming answer was yes. People like the idea, lots of thumbs up, lots of positive comments on the video. So thank you for that. I'm going to keep on doing these. However, there was one thing that people said, and that is that maybe I don't need to do them every single week. And on reflection, I think that's absolutely right. I don't need to do them every single Monday. I'll try and do at least one a month, and then if necessary, maybe two a month if there's something important to say, but I certainly won't be doing them every week, but I will keep on doing them. So thank you for the feedback, and that's the plan for the moment. Now, I'd just like to address a couple of things. First of all, some of you have been concerned that if I'm posting sort of 4 videos a week, then that's going to be too much and I'm going to suffer from kind of burnout. Well, thank you for your concern. I really appreciate that. I think at the beginning of this channel, as we're trying to get it off the ground, try to get the subscriber count up, try to get the community built up, I need to post as many videos as possible. So I'm still aiming for 3 or 4 videos a week. However, of course, I won't always be able to do that. For example, I am still doing videos over on the Android Authority channel, and I've got the next video lined up, which will be about Android Go. I've got an Android Go device. I'm looking at the difference between Android Go and sort of stock Android, and so obviously if I'm doing that, I can't make a video here at the same time, so it's not always going to be that many videos per week, but I'm going to try my best to keep the videos very regular here. And then another couple of things. One is you can see in the background here that there's been some fresh snow here. So we're also kind of got a bit of a cold snap, and they're saying even it's going to snow again maybe later in the week. So spring hasn't really finally arrived here. Last week in the video, you saw that it was actually quite sunny, but things changed last week and I'm hoping summer's going to come. And lastly, I'd like to give a shout out to Mark Keller, because he's been kind of commenting on my videos over at Android Authority and here for a long time. And I really wanted to give him a shout out. So hi Mark, thanks for all the comments that you make, and I really appreciate your support. Okay guys, that's it. So tomorrow's video is going to be about the power of exclusive OR, so tune in tomorrow to see that video.